Okay guys, Benidorm's warming up for summer now. Yeah, there's a few more people about. This is a brilliant day. It's been raining for a couple of days, everyone's cancelling their holidays. What's going on, guys?
Crazy.
Absolutely crazy. You pay thousands of pounds to come here and then cancel your holidays.
Or you come over
What?
and go home halfway through.
Hey, it rains in Benidorm, of course it does. I think we've had a load of rain just lately. We've had day and a half of rain, had a little bit yesterday. And when was the last time it actually rained proper?
Wednesday.
It was not last Paddy's Day, the Paddy's Day before. It rained for about 2 months then. Yeah, guys. You can see now today it is, let's have a look what the weather's like. Here we go, it's not blue skies, there's really high clouds, but it's really warm. I'll be surprised if it's not in the 30s today. This is the famous Morgan's Tavern. Yeah. I was really disappointed when I went here first. Of course, it's not set out like it is on Benidorm, of course. I thought it'd be exactly the same. You know what it's like when you think about things and it's not going to happen, is it, guys? It's a great bar though. You either love it or hate it in there. It's one of them bars. Some people hate it. I don't know. I've heard a few things about the bar staff in there. Not the bar staff, the bouncers in there. I call them bouncers, I'm old fashioned. You know how it is, guys. Last stop there. Brilliant bar if you want some food. Great bar at the night, karaoke and stuff. Yeah. What's that one called, Marcus? Go on. Waikiki. To the outrider there. Back it up after his set. Get and see him if you can. We're over here. Loads of hotels here. Great hotel here. Benidorm. Get yourself booked in there if you want to stop on the strip.
Yeah, I'll see you stopping for that video then.
Cheers. There we go. Yeah, they're all going to dance for us now. Come on, guys. Yeah. Ambassador Warren's here. It's all open now. What's going on there? I don't know what they're going to do with that. I think they're going to put it in the lorry. Everyone's scared on camera today. Hope you got that one, guys. This is what it's like. It's gearing up for summer now. It started, the bars got a lot more people in today. It's probably because it's been raining for a couple of days. Yeah, but there we go.
You're gonna get your video hijacked.
Here we go. Apparently the legend of Benidorm coming down. Doesn't even live here. Guys.
Big Dog Benidorm, guys. Check him out on TikTok.
Here he goes.
He'll have your best in out in laughter, guys.
So Big Dog, we're doing a video.
Right.
You alright on there?
Yes, he is.
Yeah, cheers.
There
There he goes. Yeah, look, have a look at his videos, TikTok, and yeah, some right funny videos on
I
there.
think he's planning another fame prank. Got it in his bag.
There we are, we might have ruined one of the videos there. So yeah, coming up now on the Western Saloon. Getting there at night. Oh, back man. Really is a good bar at night. One of the best probably along here. Took a long time doing that bar, but I think it was worth it. You get good daytime people. There's always a van park where you don't want it. So yeah, daytime people, good night time. Yeah, absolutely packed at night. Just imagine by now that's going to be heaving at night. You guys are not coming over? What? What's the problem? Maybe you're not drinkers, eh? Worst thing can happen in Benidorm, you end up in the pub order. Cost you a fortune, but get a bad hangover. That's the worst thing that can happen here. A few beers in the bar, you won't worry about the weather, whether it's pouring down, whether it's sunny or whatever's going on. Beach lovers, wow. Yeah, give it a day. Give it a day or so. And you can guarantee the weather will be back. And you'll be back on the beach. I've showed you this morning on the other video that there is hundreds, maybe thousands of people on the beach. There we go, insomnia. Well, no, for a bar, eh?
If you go to the beach in the rain time, I mean, you're gonna get wet anyhow.
Yeah, you're gonna get wet.
You
Get in
may
the
as well
sea.
go swimming.
Get in the sea, you might as well. Just watch if it's raining though, in case it is really bad to see. Don't anybody getting carried away. That doesn't happen because it's not tidal here, usually. Might move a little bit, but it's not going to move that much. Not like over in the UK where it's tidal and you can get swept out to sea quite easy. So there's Rockefellers. Guys, if you come to Benidorm, you've got to get it here, yeah? Some great, fantastic shows in there. Go and see Tony Scott if you're not easily offended. If you're easily offended, steer well clear. I think that's the best thing we can say about Tony.
He hates everyone.
He does, he hates everyone. He hates us. We know him. He hates everybody. I know if I can say black, whites, yellows, pinks, oranges. He hates playing snooker as well. There we go. I've seen it on video there. Go and see him, guys, you'll have a great laugh. Don't get offended, it's all good comedy. There you go, we've got the red line down here. Yeah, these bars are picking up in the day now, so you can tell there's more people about. And definitely picking up now. Ready for summer. These are going to be packed in summer, obviously. They're not quite packed yet, but there are people in there. There's a reasonable amount of people in there to keep them open. So yeah, lovely day in Benidorm. It's going to be about 30 degrees now, I reckon. That's what I'm going to say. I'm sweating, so it's going to be up around the high 20s, 30s. We're probably going to have a look. We'll probably do a video through town later. Actually have a look what the temperature is. Because, yeah, look at all that, guys. All there, all sat inside the bars. The outback wouldn't be open normally in the day. But there's enough people about now that are open. So that's where it goes, guys. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.